This meeting is being recorded.
Hello everybody, this is Coach Carole, and today I'm going to take you on a little journey in Basecamp to show you how you can store your evaluations and other files in your ePortfolio. As you can see, I've already logged into Basecamp, and to get to my ePortfolio quickly, I can use the middle blue tile called My Feedback. So once I click on that, it gives me access to any of the feedback that I've received from my members and clubs, to my transcript where I can see my paths, and here to my ePortfolio where I can store my files. So I'm going to click on ePortfolio and have a look into my files area. There are two segments to the ePortfolio. One space is for the gathered badges, the digital badges that you receive when you complete your levels, and your documents where you store your evaluations and certificates if you wish. So I'm going to click into documents today, and I've just finished the level 2 in one of my paths. So I want to upload an evaluation to that part of my ePortfolio. So clicking on level 2, here I can see one of my evaluations already in place from a previous path. Today I'm going to add the file for the new path. So I'll click on Add File. The pop-up window asks me to select a file, and the next pop-up window takes me into the area where I've stored all of my documents regarding my pathways. Now I've organised all of these into levels for each path, and the one I'm working on currently is Visionary Communication, and it's in here where I've already stored the evaluation that I want to upload today. This is the one that I want. It has the name of my speech title in place and the name of my evaluator. And I select that particular PDF file and click Open to indicate to the system that that's the file that I want to upload today. So it will be doing its thinking now and will show you that this is the file that it's about to add to your collection, and it shows you the size of the file. To add it in place, I will simply click the Add button. Now you can see that in level 2, I have 2 evaluations now stored. I'll repeat that process now as I'm going to add to this set of files for level 2, the certificates. So once again, click on Add File, select the file you want, and now I want the certificate 2, which is also a PDF document, and then click Open, wait for it to appear, and add. A fairly simple process, and what this will also do for you is ensure that all relevant documentation regarding each of your levels is in the same place. Sometimes things get lost in your own file system, in your folders of your computer. So doing it here in your ePortfolio is another way of keeping things neat, tidy, and accessible. They will also be accessible to your VPE, Secretary or President, as they are the Basecamp managers, and they will have access to your ePortfolio to verify any of your level completions. So that's it. From this point, you can go back to your transcript, back to your feedback, or all the way back home. I'll be back again to show you some more tips and tricks in navigating in Basecamp real soon. Bye for now.